Go.
Oh. Ready?
Yeah.
What? Wait. I don't want anybody to see.
It's okay. Just go.
That's when they walk by.
Oh my gosh.
Tell them to hurry.
What are you doing anyways?
Wait, don't bring any attention.
Don't step on me.
Oh, booty.
Uh-huh. Oh my god. Please no. Ready? What?
Are you not scared? Quick, Michaela, she's about to go. Stop.
I'm not doing
Go.
that whole.
Oh my
I can't do that in front of people.
We're having a threesome.
You mean a foursome?
Yeah. I lived up somebody for her.
Hurry up.
Who said that?
Go. Go. Flip. She almost had it. Are you done?
No, I need it one more time.
One more time?
What are you trying to do, a backflip?
Yeah. Are you done?
Yeah.
Okay.
She said, yeah, I'm done.
Let's go out here and make a long video. This is like stupidly pointless. Stop it right now. I was gonna kick it.
She said,
Stop recording me.
covered up with the ball, like,
What's up?
no, just cover the camera. If I had balls, that would hurt.
Record this.
I hit you with it. I thought she was going to hit me with it. She was like,
She's like attacking y'all.
she keeps throwing at me. I thought she was going to kill me.
Melissa. She was. Oh.
I kicked it way up there. I'm recording them throwing the ball at each other.
No, I have an iPad.
She's like, no. Oh my god!